Jackie Blue lives a life inside of the room. Hides a smile when she's wearing a frown. Ooh, Jackie, you're not so down. Jackie Blue, real good song. So let's get started. Okay, Arian's back. Boy, I sure hope you didn't come here to learn how to sing. Whew, my singing's rough. Okay, but Jackie Blue, good song. Very good song. It's pretty easy to play. But what I'm going to say to start out with is I was going to slowly advance in songs, have them get a little bit harder as I go, but I got so many songs that I thought, well, heck with it. So you could just, there's going to be easy songs for you. There's going to be more challenging songs. Well, I wanted to clear that up. So that's why I'm just posting songs. And then at the end of this video, instead of playing the sample song, your next lesson, I'll just let you know what your next lesson is going to be. So I won't be playing the sample songs anymore. But you'll know at the end of every video what your next lesson is going to be. So here we go, starting with Jackie Blue. Okay. So the left hand's pretty simple. See? Real easy. And always remember, look at the upper keyboard. Always remember. That's why my hands, you can't hardly see my hands that much on this one. But the upper keyboard is the one you want to concentrate on with the notes. And it will help you in the long run. So I'm teaching, and this song's got a good main, a good lead in it. But I won't be teaching that, but I'm going to teach you the two main parts of this song. I love that lead. It's kind of eerie sounding. So here it is again. And I'll just start playing it with it because it's really not that bad. It's really not that hard. So you'll go. So there's your E. See, E minor. E minor. That's your root, first position, second position of E minor. You got to study the inversions. It's very important for you to get a hold of those inversions and study them. So that's a second inversion. So it's got the second inversion of E minor. And then it's got A minor. So it's got the second inversion, E minor, and then it's got the A minor. So you gotta go. Jackie Blue lives a life inside of the room. Right smart when she's wearing a frown. Ooh, Jackie, you're not so bad. So see that? I'll do it one more time. Always remember, like I said before, if I teach you one verse, you've learned all the verses. So there you go on that one, on that part. Now let's get to the next part. And also, I learned this totally by ear. I never have found the sheet music of this. I learned this song by ear. Now this part's coming up. It's much hard for me to figure it out, but I got to figure it out. So here it is. It starts A minor. You live your life like a freeform style. It's nothing easy, just a natural thing. Like playing music like you never sing. So it goes back to that. After that, okay, so it goes A flat, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp. So it's a. So you got to understand this. See, I'm going A flat, C sharp, and then F sharp, C sharp again, A flat, C sharp, A flat, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp again. So you got to understand those inversions. There's a root C sharp in version 1, in version 2, in version 1, in version 2, and then back to your root. See, I'm just playing C sharp again because it sounds better down here. So let's try it again. It's a. Watch my left hand too. So see how it's doing? I mean, watch them notes on the left side too. It's nothing easy, just a natural thing. Like playing music like it never sing. And then the ending will go I think it goes. That's the ending. It goes like that, and then it's got that good eerie lead in it. But I'm just teaching the basic here. So there you go. That's Jackie Blue. So now I'm going to go ahead and let you know what your next lesson will be. Until the next time, later.
I think I'll go get me a 12 pack.